All right, you've downloaded SortieTrack and you're ready to add your first sortie. So we'll click Add Existing Sortie. You'll be prompted to add some information. We're going to add our CAP ID and eServices password so the system knows how to log into Wimmers. And then we have to add our fro for this sortie so that the app knows how to text our fro when we do engine start and engine stop. Once you've done that, you're ready to add your first sortie. So we're going to go ahead and click Add New Sortie, and it will log us into Wimmers. And we'll go ahead and select the mission and air sortie list for the sortie you want to load. You'll see at the top here, it's sortie number 70. So I'm going to go ahead and select Edit for that. And SortieTrack will go ahead and just pull the data in for that sortie. And you'll see that at the top of the list now. So we'll go ahead and click that and go to the briefing button. And SortieTrack will go to the briefing page for that sortie and fill in the briefing page for you using the defaults from the defaults page in settings. So we didn't type any of this, SortieTrack entered it itself. I'm going to hit the update button and go back to the main page. Now I'm going to hit the fly button. And you'll see in our briefing tab here, we have all the information for our 104. This was just pulled from Wimmers, and it resides on our device for as long as we want. It also gives us real-time TAF and METAR data for our sortie. All right, now we're going to go flying with SortieTrack. So we're going to hit the fly button on our menu and go to the flight log. We're going to hit Start Engine, and it'll ask us to text our fro. If we have the fro information in there, the text will come up, and pre-filled, you just hit Send. So now the engine started and we've been flying, and now we're exiting the grid and returning to base. And we got a nice flight log there. So now our wheels down. We're going to hit engine stop. It'll ask to text the fro again, and we'll click OK. So then we're going to go to the post-flight tab and put in our ending hobs and tack time. And this will get everything that we need for the AIF flight log. We're going to go down and hit the sorted report PDF. Here we'll get a nice PDF report, including the flight log entry with everybody's CAP ID, times, and fro information, so we can easily add that to the book. All right, now we're going to get our debrief ready for Wimmers. And we got our post-flight information in there. So now we're going to generate mission results using Apple Intelligence. This is going to take the sortie objectives, your flight log, your flight track, and actually generate mission results for you. Then we hit the debrief button, and we're going to capture our fuel receipt. So here we're going to take a photo, and it's going to ask us if there's other sorties available, and we're going to say no. We're going to take a photo of our fuel receipt. And if we like it, we select it, and it saves it to our photos. So now we're just going to hit debrief again, go to the debrief tab in Wimmers, which it takes us to automatically. You can see all the debrief information was already filled out by SortieTrack. We're going to go ahead and select our photo that we just took for the fuel receipt. You can see it's annotated already for you. So we'll select that and just hit update on your debrief page, and now your debrief is all completed. I hope you've enjoyed these tutorials, and you can see how SortieTrack can help you increase the quality of your sorties while reducing the amount of time you spend on paperwork. Thank you.